urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Geauga County, Portage County, Summit County, Wayne County until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 21 miles west of Macedonia to West Salem to 33 miles southwest of West Salem, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rittman, Worcester, Akron, Shreve, Ravenna, Creston, Twinsburg, Macedonia. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, Summit, and Wayne.